Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video I will reflect on a YouTube video about word Englishes. The subtitle "The Future of Englishes" focuses on the idea that English is not a single uniform language but has evolved into many variations called Englishes. These different forms emerge as English spreads worldwide, adapting to the needs and cultures of the people who use it. The speaker begins by explaining that when a country adopts English, it changes the language to suit its environment. Language is meant to help us talk about our life, surrounding, and interest. For example, if people in Serbia use English, they naturally create a version of English that allows them to discuss Serbian culture, politics, food, history, and everyday life. The evolution of English is not a slow process. The speaker illustrates this by talking about early settlers in America in the 60s. When they arrived, they encounter new animal, plants, and indigenous people. They quickly adopt words like wigwam, squaw, and skunk to describe the new world. These words spread back to Britain through letters, and within weeks, English had already begun to change. This process continues today. Countries around the world, such as South Africa, have developed their own versions of English. So, South African English, for instance, includes unique words like robot, which means traffic light. The vocabulary also borrows heavily from local languages like Afrikaans, Zulu, and others. Over 10,000 words in South African English reflect local culture and are often unfamiliar to outsiders. The speaker points out that his phenomenon is universal. Serbian English, for instance, might include references to Serbian politics, plays, or cultural practices. The speaker gives an example from British English, where people might say it's like Clapham Junction in there to describe a chaotic situation. Unless you know that Clapham Junction is a famously busy train station in London, you might not understand the expression. Similarly, people in Serbia might have their own cultural references in English that would confuse someone unfamiliar with Serbian culture. This adaptability of English shows that it is no longer a single language but a collection of many forms, each shaped by its cultural context. These differences make English richer and more versatile, but they also highlight the importance of understanding cultural background to fully grasp what someone means. The speaker concludes that this diversity of Englishes is something to embrace. Everyone, whether a native English speaker or a learner, becomes a foreigner when encountering a new variety of English. The richness of these varieties reflects the identities of the people who speak them, proving that English is a truly global language. I think that's all for my reflect video about Englishes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.